Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you the latest and greatest smartwatch on a budget. Get ready as we dive into the top 9 best budget smartwatch on AliExpress. All the links of the smartwatch are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the Smartwatch Women Series 8, the perfect blend of style and technology specifically designed for women. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a fashion-forward individual, this smartwatch caters to all your needs. Equipped with a vibrant 2.0 screen, you'll have access to a wealth of information right on your wrist. Experience the convenience of Bluetooth call functionality, allowing you to make and receive calls directly from your smartwatch. Keep track of your heart rate with the built-in heart rate monitor, providing you with real-time data to optimize your workouts. Managing your health is easier than ever with the blood pressure monitoring feature, ensuring you stay on top of your well-being. And don't worry, gentlemen, the Smartwatch Women Series 8 is not limited to just women, it's a smartwatch for all. Customize your smartwatch to match your style with an extensive range of beautiful watch faces and interchangeable straps. Take control of your fitness goals by using the Smartwatch Women Series 8 to track your steps, calories burned, and distance traveled. Stay connected throughout the day with smart notifications, so you never miss an important message or call. The Smartwatch Women Series 8, the epitome of style, functionality, and convenience. Elevate your everyday with this exceptional smartwatch. Introducing the Sacosding SmartWatch, the perfect blend of style and functionality for the modern man. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, this smartwatch is a game-changer in the world of wearable technology. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. Firstly, the Sacosding SmartWatch is equipped with a powerful 4G RAM, ensuring smooth and efficient performance, making multitasking a breeze. Featuring a high-resolution 466 multiplied by 466 screen, this smartwatch provides a crystal-clear display, allowing you to effortlessly read the time and navigate through the interface. Designed for men, the Sacosding SmartWatch combines sophistication and functionality. It is the perfect accessory to complement your style and enhance your everyday life. Stay connected at all times with the Bluetooth call feature. Make and receive calls directly from your smartwatch, keeping your hands free and making communication more convenient than ever. Want to enjoy your favorite tunes while on the go? The Sacosding SmartWatch allows you to store and listen to your local music directly from your wrist, eliminating the need for additional devices. Compatible with both Android and iOS, this smartwatch ensures seamless integration with your smartphone. Stay connected, receive notifications, and control various smartphone functions, all from your wrist. With a wide variety of clock designs available, customize your smartwatch to match your mood and style, ensuring that it always reflects your individuality. Elevate your timekeeping experience with the Sacosding SmartWatch. Stay connected, embrace style, and enjoy the convenience of this remarkable piece of wearable technology. Get yours today and discover the future of smartwatches. Introducing the Health Tracker SmartWatch, your ultimate companion for a healthier and more active lifestyle. With its cutting-edge features and advanced technology, this smartwatch is here to revolutionize the way you monitor your health. The Health Tracker SmartWatch comes equipped with laser treatment 3 high technology. This innovative feature allows for non-invasive laser treatments, giving you the convenience of a spa-like experience right on your wrist. Say goodbye to tired and sore muscles and welcome fast and efficient recovery. But that's not all. The Health Tracker SmartWatch is also armed with ECG and PPG sensors, enabling you to monitor your heart rate with precision. Whether you're working out or resting, this watch keeps you informed about your cardiovascular health, empowering you to make better choices and take control of your well-being. Moreover, our smartwatch provides you with essential information about your blood sugar levels. With just a glance at your wrist, you can easily keep track of your glucose levels, making it a valuable tool for individuals managing diabetes or those who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle. But what truly sets the Health Tracker SmartWatch apart from the competition is its comprehensive health tracking capabilities. It monitors your steps, calories burned, distance covered, and even your sleep patterns. It's like having a personal health coach right on your wrist, guiding you towards a fitter and more balanced life. The Health Tracker SmartWatch, the ultimate fusion of health, technology, and style. It's time to take charge of your well-being. Get yours today and experience a game-changing journey towards a healthier you. Health Tracker SmartWatch, your health, our priority. Introducing the Military Smartwatch, built to withstand the toughest environments and equipped with a range of features. This is the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts, fitness enthusiasts, and military personnel alike. Join us as we dive into the impressive features of this incredible device. Imagine embarking on an adventurous journey, exploring rugged terrains, and conquering new heights. With the Military Smartwatch's built-in GPS tracking, you can confidently navigate through unknown trails, ensuring you never lose your way. Designed specifically for men and women who love the great outdoors, this smartwatch boasts an IP68 waterproof rating, allowing it to withstand water immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. No matter the conditions, you can rely on it to keep up with your adventures. Whether you're running, cycling, or participating in any other outdoor activity, this smartwatch automatically detects and records your exercise data, keeping you motivated and helping you reach new milestones. When it comes to military personnel, reliability and durability are paramount. The Military Smartwatch is designed to meet those rigorous demands, featuring a rugged construction that is resistant to shock, impact, and extreme temperatures. It can withstand the harshest conditions and serve as your trusted companion during critical missions. While the Military Smartwatch excels in outdoor and military applications, it hasn't forgotten about your everyday life. It seamlessly connects to your smartphone, enabling you to receive notifications, calls, and messages directly on your wrist. Stay connected even when you're on the go without having to take your phone out of your pocket. The Military Smartwatch, your ultimate outdoor companion, fitness tracker, and military-grade tool, all wrapped into one sleek and durable package. Embrace your next adventure with confidence and stay connected like never before. Introducing the KAVSUMI HK95 AMOLED Smartwatch, a state-of-the-art wearable technology that combines style, functionality, and convenience all in one device. This ultra-smart watch is designed to cater to both men and women, offering a sleek and modern design suitable for any occasion. The HK95 boasts a vibrant AMOLED screen that brings your watch faces to life, providing crisp and vivid visuals with every glance. With Bluetooth connectivity, this smartwatch seamlessly pairs with your smartphone, allowing you to receive and make calls without having to reach for your phone. Stay connected and never miss an important call with the KAVSUMI HK95. Monitoring your health is made easy with the built-in heart rate sensor. Get all-time insights into your heart rate during workouts, ensuring you stay on top of your fitness goals. Additionally, the HK95 features a blood oxygen level monitor, providing you with essential data to understand your body's oxygen saturation and overall wellness. Don't let the elements hold you back. The HK95 is waterproof, allowing you to take it with you during your swimming sessions or even in the rain. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying multiple cards. With the built-in NFC, simply tap your smartwatch to make quick and secure payments. Elevate your everyday life with the KAVSUMI HK95 AMOLED Smartwatch. Experience the perfect blend of style, advanced technology. Introducing the R7 Pro Smartwatch, an ultimate companion for those looking to elevate their fitness game and stay connected on the go. With its IP68 waterproof rating, this smartwatch is ready to keep up with your active lifestyle. Whether you're swimming, showering, or caught in the rain, the R7 Pro is water-resistant and ready for any adventure. Stay motivated and track every step of your fitness journey with the R7 Pro's comprehensive fitness features. Monitor your heart rate, count your steps, and even analyze your sleep patterns all at your fingertips. Stay connected without reaching for your phone. The R7 Pro's Bluetooth calling feature lets you take calls directly from your wrist, ensuring you never miss a beat. Stay in touch with family and friends effortlessly, even when your phone isn't at hand. Want to enjoy your favorite music during workouts, but tired of carrying your phone? The R7 Pro offers ample storage, allowing you to store your favorite tunes directly on the watch, stream music through Bluetooth headphones, and experience ultimate freedom while staying active. Customize your smartwatch to match your personal style. With a variety of watch faces and endless customization options, the R7 Pro Smartwatch lets you express your unique personality while introducing the NFC Smart Watch, the perfect blend of style and technology, designed for both men and women. With its array of features, this smartwatch takes connectivity and health tracking to a whole new level. With built-in NFC technology, this smartwatch allows you to make payments conveniently right from your wrist. No need to fumble for your wallet or phone. Just a simple tap and you're good to go. Fitness enthusiasts, this one is for you. The NFC SmartWatch is equipped with advanced sports tracking capabilities. Whether you're running, cycling, or engaging in any other physical activity, this smartwatch will monitor your progress, providing real-time data to help you reach your fitness goals. Your health is of utmost importance, and the NFC SmartWatch understands that. It features a heart rate monitor that accurately measures your heart rate throughout the day. Stay informed about your overall health and make more informed decisions. But that's not all. This smartwatch goes a step further and offers ECG and PPG monitoring, understand your heart's rhythm, and detect any irregularities effortlessly. With the help of the NFC SmartWatch, you can stay proactive in monitoring your cardiovascular health. Sharing data has never been simpler. Utilizing near-field communication NFC technology, you can instantly transfer files, contacts, or even information with a mere tap. It's quick, secure, and convenient. The NFC Smart Watch, the ultimate companion for the modern individual. Stay connected, track your fitness, monitor your health, and enjoy the convenience of NFC technology, all from a single stylish timepiece. Embrace the future. Get your NFC Smart Watch now. Introducing the Xiaomi K55 Military Smart Watch, the perfect companion for the adventurous souls who seek a blend of style and durability. With its sleek design and impressive features, the Xiaomi K55 is built to withstand the toughest of conditions while keeping you connected to what matters most. Featuring a vibrant 1.85-inch touchscreen, the Xiaomi K55 offers a crystal-clear display that ensures easy readability in any environment. Thanks to its Bluetooth call feature, you can conveniently make and receive calls right from your wrist without the need to reach for your phone. Stay connected on the go, anytime, anywhere. The Xiaomi K55 goes beyond just telling time. With its 24-hour health monitoring feature, it keeps track of your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. It's like having your own personal health assistant on your wrist. Don't let the fear of water hold you back. The Xiaomi K55 is IP68 waterproof, allowing you to dive into life's adventures without worrying about damaging your smartwatch. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrains or pushing yourself in intense workout sessions, the Xiaomi K55 can keep up with your active lifestyle. Its durable construction and long-lasting 350 mAh battery ensure that it won't let you down. Experience the perfect blend of ruggedness and smartness with the Xiaomi K55 Military Smart Watch, designed to be your ultimate outdoor companion. Xiaomi K55 Military Smart Watch, the power of smartness, built for the toughest challenges. Introducing the ChiBear SmartWatch, the perfect blend of fashion, technology, and health all wrapped into one stylish piece. Get ready to experience the ultimate smartwatch for women. The ChiBear SmartWatch comes equipped with Bluetooth calling, allowing you to stay connected to your loved ones on the go. No need to reach for your phone anymore, simply answer calls directly from your wrist. Keep your hands free and stay connected effortlessly. But that's not all. The ChiBear SmartWatch takes your health and wellness seriously, offering an ECG and PPG monitoring system. It tracks your heart rate and provides you with valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. With just a touch, you can keep an eye on your heart health, allowing you to make informed decisions about your well-being. Looking to step up your fitness game? The ChiBear SmartWatch is here to assist you. With its fashion-forward design and sport features, it seamlessly blends into your workout routine. Whether you're going for a jog or hitting the gym, this smartwatch will be your perfect companion, providing you with accurate data and encouraging you to achieve your fitness goals. Worried about everyday wear and tear? Don't be. The ChiBear SmartWatch is built to withstand your active lifestyle. Featuring a waterproof design, it can handle the occasional splashes or sweat, ensuring it remains functional without compromising its elegant appearance. Don't miss out on the future of smartwatches. Step up your game with the ChiBear SmartWatch, the perfect blend of technology, fashion, sport, and health. Get yours today and experience the ultimate smartwatch designed exclusively for women. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.